Stay with me.
Hello guys, it's me Ninja and welcome to my new video. So hope you guys can enjoy the video. So if you do, hit the like button and comment whatever you like. So with that, let's start today's video with the first anime on our list, Noblesse. So this one, it's kind of a second season of Noblesse because the story continues after the Noblesse Awakening OVA. Basically, in this anime story, in the old times, there used to be some powerful people who used to protect humans. After that, something happened with our main character and he gone to a slumber. So starting in the OVA, he finally wake up again. So now, human world have completely changed. After that, he found one of his old servant, Frankenstein, as a school teacher. So to know more about this world, our main character also started attending this high school. So now this anime story, it's all about our main character getting to know this world better, making human friends, protecting them and all of that. So it's a decent one, try it out. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Fate Zero. So in this anime story, there is a battle royale going on and all of the participants in this war get to summon a powerful warrior from past. So as for our main character in this anime, he didn't really know about this battle. But one day, a powerful female warrior from past suddenly came to our main character. So that's how, without knowing about anything, our hero became a participant. So now in this anime, lot of awesome battles gonna happen. And as for our main character, he have to fight if he wants to survive. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Scrapped Princess. So in this anime story, our heroine, she is a princess, but people doesn't really look at her in a good way. Someone did a prophecy that our heroine gonna destroy the world. She is not good for the kingdom, something bad gonna happen if she stay here. Because of that, there are a lot of people in this anime who is trying to harm our heroine. That's why our heroine decided she gonna run away from this kingdom with her adopted brother and sister. So now in this anime story, three of our main characters trying to survive in this world as there are a lot of people who are still trying to hunt our heroine. So now what's gonna happen, how they gonna survive, that's the story all about. So the next anime I'm gonna talk about is Chaka. So this anime started after a battle between good and evil. So evil was the past emperor who ruled this empire with iron fist and did many inhuman stuff with that, and good peoples are heroes who defeated him. So after the emperor get killed, the empire is in peace now. So starting in this anime, our hero who used to be a soldier, but because of current peace, it's hard for him to find a decent job. But then he meets a white-haired girl, our heroine in this anime, who is searching for her father's remain to give him proper burial. So after that, our hero and his sister decided he gonna take the job and help the girl. But later he found out our heroine is the daughter of the past emperor. And there are people who are searching for the girl. So now our hero in a tricky situation. What he gonna do? Hand over the girl to them or he help the girl? So whatever it does, it's gonna make a decent story. So yeah, you could try it out if you haven't yet. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna talk about in this video. But the video itself, it's not over yet. So there are quite a few animes in this list I'm not gonna commentary on. So you can enjoy the anime with some good old music. So that's all of the animes I'm gonna showcase in this video. Hope you guys found something good to watch and see you in the next one.